Yeah.
Be better, Sam.
I
Sure.
can feel the drop.
Get right here.
Whoa.
Ooh.
You know what? Let me go get it.
So you're saying I should go on the roof in the backyard or what?
Maybe. I don't know if that will look better or not. You can step right here. The tree's not blocking you.
Or I could just be right here.
Sweetie, don't look at Erin again. Whoa. Sweetie, I'm right here. It's okay. I know. I'm not scared. Whoa. Sweetie, don't look at Erin.
It's frequent.
Don't go.
Whoa.
Yeah, it is. Sam, remember from Bill what happens if there's lightning?
Oh. Yeah.
It's uncomfortable, but it's the only way to not get struck by lightning.
Yeah, but do you know what they did, right?
What?
You know what they did, right?
No, I forgot.
They did like this, like they kind of got lower. So it's not as easy for lightning to get you.
Rome?
Hopefully no fire happens. Hopefully not a fire. Not here, Doofus. Lily, stop.
It's okay. It's back.
She's just faking it. Look at that.
Wow. Sweetie, don't look at. Okay? It's okay. What happened? Bread.
Fried chicken or pancakes?
It smells like bread.
Amazing.
I'm gonna send it to Eric.
Oh, stop over there. The light. It's okay. It's okay, Nine. Don't look, don't look. I'm holding. This is gonna be the best day of my life. My life.
Yeah, mostly like north.
Yeah.
They said it was gonna be Kern and Kings counties, Central California.
Whoa.
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 Oh, Fear the Walking Dead is on.
Oh, shoot.
Be there.
Forget it. Forget The Walking Dead. This is better.
But it's a new
Oh, yeah, I'm using the PS4. You can turn it off.
Me and Sam were watching Bill 9.
Bill 9.
Yeah. Sam forgot to watch almost all of the episodes. Don't look at. Please. I know it's. Don't look at. Please don't look at. Please. Whoa.
Oh, that one was awesome.
I got that one.
Sweetie, don't look at.
Ha.
Dang it, I cannot take it a picture. It's too fast. I'm recording though, but
Lily, stop overreacting.
It's okay.
don't scare her, Lily.
Sweetie, it's okay. It's okay.
There's like stuff happening over here.
Don't look. Don't look. Sweetie, I want to look.
Whoa.
Don't look at.
I caught a little bit of that one. Hey, you saw that over there?
It's everywhere, Lily.
It like did an arc. Oh, maybe I can get one.
Are you counting?
No, I've lost count.
He got and he
Whoa, that one was huge. Damn tree.
That's what it taught me in the book Thunder Cakes that I have. Whoa. It said if you hear thunder or lightning, start counting. And once you hear the thunder or lightning,
I think it's going above us. I saw that. I don't know if I caught it because my arm is getting tired.
Sweetie, don't look at.
Oh, oh damn, I missed that. Got that though. So much brightness.
Once it goes like this, that's when you start counting, and whenever it goes like this, that's when
Stuff.
you know what happened?
That little dot because of glare on my phone's camera, and this is getting annoying.
Whoa. Don't look at, okay? Whoa. Mom, he was looking at it and I was looking at him. Come with it. I'm not here.
I'll record a perfect 10 minutes of this,
And I went
and then I'll be done.
I was looking there before.
Oh damn. Yeah, it's going over us, Lily.
Go inside.
It's intra-cloud, so it's not gonna hurt us.
Big one. Yeah.
It's just going from cloud to cloud. It's not gonna like jump to the ground.
Mom,
So we're okay. Oh, did you see that, Mom?
Yep.
Ow, I'm starting to get blinded.
I'm gonna put on Facebook.
Oh.
there you got the
Frequent lightning in Bakersfield, California. Freaking whoa! That was cool.
There's some over
Dang, I got that one.
Whoa, whoa. Got that? Got that, sir?
Disturbances in the Earth's atmosphere.
Oh my god. I'm squatting. Squatting.
Lily, it's okay. It's just from the clouds
Oh
in
my
between.
god, did you get that?
Yeah, I think so. I'm not sure. I have to angle it a little bit higher to get it next time. If it does appear.
Might happen again.
I know.
Sweetie, don't look
It's
at
like everywhere.
squatting.
Dude.
This is awesome. Mom, it's a car. Don't
Man, if only Eric stayed for a little while. Hey, kitty.
look at Hey, Blondie. This is unsafe for you.
No, it's safe, Lily.
Yeah, but the rain. Like
The rain.
little dripping.
What about the rain? What's it gonna do?
Cats don't like.
Actually, the rain kind of stopped. It's like dry thunderstorms. Oh, shoot. Yeah, but it's like barely any. Okay. Whoa, I got that one.
I got that, I think. I don't
Okay,
know.
I'm backing away. I got that one. I hope so. Alright, now all I'm getting is just flashes. Oh god. Alright, 30 more seconds. Wow. This is insane. That one over there. Oh, shoot.
Looks even better in real life, but in camera.
Oh god, that one was blinding. I can't see much now.
Blondie!
There's like arcs over there.
Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Tricky car.
The security card.
The patrol is here.
Oops.
Shut up.
Oh, 10 minutes, 30 seconds should be good enough.